How to uninstall and reinstall Klarna app. Need to reinstall Klarna to fix issues or refresh the app. To do this, first find the Klarna app on your home screen. Once you find it, tap and hold on it until a menu appears. In the menu, you can find the uninstall option. It looks like the trash icon. Tap on it and tap on delete again to confirm. Now, open the Play Store. Then find the Klarna app here. Once you find it, tap on it to open the details page. Here you can see the install button. Tap on install to begin the installation to proceed. Do you often reinstall apps to fix issues? Share your experience in the comments below. And that's how you can uninstall and reinstall Klarna app. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.